Okay, so when you log into your account just like this, uh, the next place you're gonna go is you're gonna click here. It will open like this: dashboard, affiliate sales. So the next one is to touch affiliates, dashboard affiliates. You tap on affiliates.
Woke up to the revenue
Tap on
stream, living out a
affiliates.
digital dream. No more manual hustle, just automation.
Good.
Checking
This
the
is what I
metrics,
was
new
looking
elevation.
for.
That passive income
This
is
is
the
what I was
equity,
looking for.
building
So
up my
you're going to
legacy
see
effectively.
affiliate
Watch the
dashboard. You're going to
numbers on
see
the
report
dashboard climb.
center,
Scaling up my fortune in no
approve
time. High
products,
conversion, that's the new
my
design.
affiliate
Every single app is
requests,
working, feeling fine.
find
On the
products.
dashboard, see the
Good.
revenue. On the dashboard,
So you are
everything is new.
going to
Yeah, the
tap
dashboard making
on
money moves.
find products. Find products. Okay. So just tap on find products. So when you tap on find products, let's see what will happen. It will now open a space where you are going to search the products within your niche. Let's see that. Good. So it has now opened. This is the interface. So now that your niche is making money online, okay, so you are not seeing search keyword, you now see category filter, you now see subcategory. So what we're going to do is you go on here, search keyword. Let's just say make money. Okay, make money. Let's say money online. That is our keyword. So the next thing is you tap on category. Tap on category. You see, so you are going to see business, finance. These are categories of products under this platform. Okay, so you are going to look for the one that falls under your niche. If you are promoting products, if your niche is cooking and food, you now tap on that. If you are promoting educational product, you go to education, employment, and the rest. So we are looking for making money online or make money online. So let's find that. Okay, we have not specifically make money online. Make money online is not here specifically. So let's go into finance. Okay, business and finance. Let's check on that. Business and finance. Under business and finance, so we are going to see products. Good. And you see this one they call Harmon Brain 6 bottle. Oh no, this one it sounds like a supplement. That's not what we are looking for. Okay, now look at this 7-figure accelerator. This is a product that talks about making money online. 7-figure. You know what 7-figure is all about? It's all about money. Okay, so what you do is before you promote any product, I will show you. There are things you have to look at before you promote. You look at conversion rate, EPC, and the rest. I will explain all of it. So these are examples of product that falls under making money online. The third product here is Adastra Studio Bundle. You have the Google Click Hack. This is all making money online. You have Tumble Seller Pack. You have Tumble Ultimate Daily. And just scroll down, you see a lot of products that falls under making money online. Again, another thing you need to do before you start promoting. Of course, before you start promoting, another thing you need to do is once it opens like this, scroll to your right hand like this. Scroll to your right hand. Now here you will see request approval. Now the second one you see get link. This one that says get link is because I have already requested for the approval and they have approved me to promote the product. So that is why they say get link. So if I just tap on this, my link will now open. Okay, and that is the 7-figure accelerator. It's one of the products I am promoting. So now for you to get in to start promoting, you have to request for. Just tap on request approval. But don't promote any product yet until I show you. There are things you must take notes before you promote any product. Number one is very important is conversion rates. I will explain what it means. and also EPC, and what we also call VSL. I have made video on those things. I've made videos on those things, and I've explained what those acronym stands for and how it can affect your affiliate marketing or your commission rates or whatever you want to, or what you will earn from your promotion. I have explained them in my video, but I will have to explain. So before you promote any product, before you pick any link to promote or even request for approval, you have to check those things before you go ahead to request for approval. And again, for the product to be approved, you also need to draft a very convincing message to the owner of the product, the creator of the product. Okay, I'll show you how to do that also. So I just wanted to show you how to access products under your niche. Okay, so for you to start promoting, then there are things you need to take into consideration before you now pick a product to start promoting. You don't only have to look at the commission rates. One thing I like about JVZoo platform is the fact that most of their products is 50%. Okay, so if you can make any sales, you have half of the money. Okay, so for example, like this 7-figure accelerator, that is the second product under here, the price is $1,840. That is the price of that product. So if you can make sales of that product, you have 47%. That is almost 50%, almost half of the money. Okay, so that is a good stuff. But as I said earlier, before you promote any product, there are things you must take into consideration, like the conversion rate, the EPC, and the VSL. So all those things are very important before you request for approval to start promoting. Okay, so that is it. That is how to access the product under this platform. Let's take it bit by bit. I will explain other things so that you get to understand before you start promoting. Let's stop at that for today. Make sure that you watch this video again and again to understand how to access this product or how to access product under this platform. If you still get confused, or if there is a place you don't understand, you are free to ask any question. Alright, just be free to ask any question. Someone helped me to be here, so I am also ready to help other people as well. Alright, feel free to ask any question. Thank you so much.